8-ball. Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to make a magic 8-ball. Remember, we'll ask it yes and no questions, and it'll give us a yes and no response. Why go pay $8 or whatever they cost now? You can make your own magic 8-ball right here for free, right now, in less than 2 minutes. Without a doubt, let's get to it. And here we go. Welcome, everybody. Today we're going to make a magic 8-ball. This 8-ball, we can ask it questions, and it will tell us yes, no, maybe, hazy. I don't know. We'll have to see. But let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT. Let's make an 8-ball with a GUI, which is a graphical user interface, which means it's something nice so we can interact with rather than typing in the terminal. And it's going to have a button to press that says ask a question. So this will give us our code right here. We can go ahead and copy that with the button at the top right. Once that's all done, copy the code and Control A, Control V to paste that in there. Let's run this and see what we got. Right there, we got our magic 8-ball. As I see it, yes. Hold on, I didn't have time to ask a question. Better not tell you now. Let me think of a question. Well, whenever it comes back around, we'll go then. But as you can see, different options, just like with the magic 8-ball, even more options. So there you go. There's your new magic 8-ball. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like what you saw, if you want to make stuff like this or make anything, like anything, go ahead and press that like and subscribe button. First 20 subscribers are getting 2024 for free support, tech support, emotional support, whatever you need, whatever you're looking for, any kind of support you're looking for, I'm here for you through 2024. Won't cost you a cent. I want to teach you how to make some apps with code. Looking forward to it. Thank you.